Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. We play how to add friends. For today's video, guys, I'll be teaching you how to add friends in WePlay. So right now, I'm adding my girlfriend in WePlay. So first thing we need to do is, when you open this, you'll be located here at the WePlay. Then all you need to do is click on the message on the middle, as you see right there. After clicking on the message in the middle, on the top right corner, you will see a plus icon. So on that plus icon right here, you just need to press on that, then click on add friends. After doing that, you will see there's few options. My QR code. So when I'm doing my QR code, you're gonna press that, and then you're gonna give that so your friend can scan it. And if you're gonna do the they call this the scan right there, you can, when you press that, you need the QR, your friend's QR code. Yeah, like that. Okay, you need to scan it. You can go to your albums right here if you have your friends downloaded. And other way is invite a friend right here. Yeah, send them the link and just invite, or search for their user ID. So as you can see right now, my user ID is Client_Jerna. But if you're having trouble and you don't see your user ID, you need to create your own user ID first. So by doing that is just click to me, and then after clicking me, click on right here, profile, and then click on user ID. Press on that, then you will create your own unique user ID. Now I'm gonna add my girlfriend right here. You're gonna click on the plus icon, then click on add friends. We're gonna type in Jen Shah. There you go. There you go right there. Now we're gonna add, click on add, and then confirm. Then added, have a nice chat, confirm. There you go. Okay, there you go. As you can see right now, it is the letting it to allow some of this notification to other notifications right there. So we're gonna allow that later, but yeah, that's how you add friends in your WePlay. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video. Please enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it in the comment section below, guys. And yeah, we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you, guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.